Welcome to Northridge Elementary. I'm April Heitland, the principal. When you walk in our main entrance, you'll find the office, where you'll see Miss Amanda and Miss Mary. Then, you'll also see Nurse Stephanie's office. We have 3 hallways, red, green, and orange. Grade levels are split between each of these hallways. Library is one of our specials. We have books in our library for all elementary levels that kids are able to check out. They also have a soft seating area in the library where they have their library lesson and are able to read. Off of our library is our guidance classroom. Students will have guidance once a week, and then also Mr. Jones, our counselor, is available for small group and one-on-one sessions. This is our gym. In our gym, you'll have a great time with Mr. Black, our PE teacher. This is our music room, where students will work with Mrs. Teakip on singing and rhythm and dancing. Art is another one of our specials. Mrs. Everman, our art teacher, will allow kids to create and have fun. This is our cafeteria. We have 5 sessions of lunch, where students will be able to either bring lunch from home or enjoy a lunch from Taher.